In this video, I'll show you how to add a link in Mailchimp. Once you are on the dashboard of Mailchimp, the first step is to create a campaign. In order for you to do that, simply head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side. And down below, you want to click on the second option, which is campaigns. Now, once you are on the campaign section, head over to the top and right corner. From here, you will find a green button to create a campaign. So just simply click on it. Now that will take you to the email section. From here, you can choose to create a regular email or a multivariate test. On the regular email at the bottom, you want to add an internal name. Let's say this will be the email campaign for the date today. And at the bottom, simply click on begin. Now, once you click on begin, you'll be asked to start from a template. You can choose either a fully designed, a basic layout. I want to start from scratch. And in order for you to do that, at the very bottom, click on start from scratch. Now, once you are on the email section, what you need to do is simply head over to a text. So at the bottom in here, we have a text. If we simply type any types of text in here, let's say this is a link here. In order for you to add a link within this text, you just want to simply highlight. And once you do that, an option at the bottom will automatically pop up to add a link. You can also do only for one word as well as one letter. You will still be able to add a link within there. Now, once you highlight the specific text in which you want to add a link, at the bottom, click on add link. From here, a pop-up will show. At the bottom, you can link the text to either a web, an email, a phone number, a file, a survey, a landing page, or an anchor. Let's say we want to link this to a web page. At the bottom, you just want to add the URL. Let's say this is youtube.com. And once you have your link, you can either choose to open this within a new tab or not. Once you're done, head over to the bottom and click on save. Now, once you click on save, as you can see, it will automatically change the text into a hyperlink. At the bottom, you can choose to edit the link or even preview it. And when you preview, as you can see, it will automatically take us to a new tab as we selected earlier. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.